Hi, so I'm sitting here in my car eating soup before I go to work, enjoying the nice, beautiful, warm weather today. And I'm kind of looking around my garden, deciding if I have anything that I can do within the 10 minutes before I have to leave. And you see over there behind me, you can see the hibiscus sticking out. Also check out my neighbor's forsythia. But anyway, it's right there. And then I have another one right there. And actually there's one right here too. Dark Mystery, Plum Crazy. I think this is called Edge of Night. So I have to be at work in like 20 minutes, and it takes me about 10 minutes to get there. So I think I could get at least one of the hibiscus down before I go. Wish me luck. The trunk is locked. This is what I used. All right. Timer says 4 minutes and 14 seconds since I started, and that includes trying to unlock the trunk. So I'm a little out of breath because I ran over to the compost bin, but I still have, I still have a few minutes to finish my soup. So yeah, it's pretty easy. The reason why I wanted to do that is to show that you can prune your hibiscus in anytime, really. Anytime you want, you can prune it because all the branches are dead anyway. And the new branches are going to come from the soil or from like the lower part of the stems that were growing last year. And the only reason why you would want to wait is because you don't want to step on it. Once you cut it, it's kind of hard to see, or you don't want like an animal to step on it or something. And those old branches kind of act like a protective cage. And so otherwise, feel free to cut whatever you want. Just promise me you won't dig up your hibiscus until June or at least May, because they take forever to wake up from hibernation over the winter. And if you wait, I say this a lot because there are a lot of people that message me and tell me that they accidentally dug up their hibiscus too early thinking that it had died. But if it's a hardy hibiscus, it's most likely still alive. So just give it a chance. And sorry, that wasn't much of a how-to video. It was just more like, hey, watch me do this from afar. But I have other videos where I show you exactly where to cut on the stem and all that, so check those out. I'll try to post one in the comments or something. Okay, time to go to work. Definitely a productive 10 minutes. And look how much neater and tidier it looks over there. Oh, I want to show you something real quick. bulbs are blooming. And what the heck, while I'm at it, I'll show you. This is where the hibiscus was. And then here's this one. One more thing. When I say you can prune your hibiscus anytime, what I'm talking about is anytime it's done blooming and leafing. Like, I'm not saying like prune your hibiscus as soon as it gets leaves and flowers. I'm not talking about deadheading. I'm talking about pruning it once the season begins or ends, so that it can grow fresh new stems with new leaves and new flowers without the obstruction